For 1 cup of brown rice, I'm using 2 1/4 of water and boiling it with a little bit of salt. I'm also going to flavor it with 1 chicken bouillon. You add a teaspoon of butter and bring it to a boil and add your 1 cup of brown rice. Bring it back to a boil and let it simmer for about 30 to 45 minutes. I'm going to add about a tablespoon of dried parsley to enhance the flavor of the rice. Brown rice by itself can be very bland. That's why you need to enhance the flavor by adding salt, garlic, parsley, or chicken bouillon. Now, after about 30 to 45 minutes, I use a fork to fluff the rice and check it out. It came out perfect. All rice are separated and it came out good. I hope you like this recipe. Let me know if you try it or if you have other suggestions.